ate lunch at Babel, so I thought to vlog it. Emil, do you want to vlog me? Like, walk next to me, like a normal person, and then just like talk to me. So Emil goes to me like, yo, your man is here, and I'm like trying to duck, like, wait, who are you talking about? And then this is what she meant. Literally, I was gonna hide, and then she actually meant like Michael B. Jordan. Guys, I'm single, like I ain't got nobody. So when somebody says you're a man, I'm like, who's my man? Who have I been DMing lately? Like, not trying to be seen out here. Trying to keep my shit low key, like all my shit low key. Even though I don't do shit, you know, I just stay home all day and like film videos on YouTube. We're walking right now, trying to find this restaurant, and I'm filming so close to my face because if I don't, I'm gonna look bold, okay? Nobody wants to see that. I'm in the Fashion Avenue right now, and this is what it looks like. Wow, wow. Okay, Versace. Okay, Versace. This is what we're doing now? Damn. Okay, yeah, just email me. Yeah, email me the location and I'll like respond to you. I really hate when people call me. Whatever you gotta say it on WhatsApp. Don't call me. Thank you. Like, listen, I'm not a bitch. I just don't like speaking on the phone to people or seeing people. You're so pretty. Even though I don't like birds, but you're cute or whatever. So far everything great, including the lighting. Hello. Even though I'm breaking out like crazy. I've got some tea for you guys. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, you will know this. I started taking Sugar Bear, whatever the fuck they're called. I started taking the jellies, and what happened was I posted it on Instagram and I got a lot of messages, like a lot of DMs of people saying that it broke them out, and other people who said that it made them gain weight. And I was like, interesting. I'm still gonna try it for myself, and I did, and it broke me out. Like, I've got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, literally, and I never break out this crazy ever. Like, I will usually have like an odd pimple here or there, but never this crazy. And I had to wear hella makeup today to cover that fact because my hair is pushed back. It's sad. It really is sad, and it's annoying because I wanted to grow my hair and I ended up with a face full of pimples. So I'm just gonna go back to taking my biotin pills. Thought I should update you on that in case you were interested. And that's all the tea says. What's going on here? Why y'all so close? Is this the bird zone? Okay, I'm just gonna vlog like this. I don't care anymore if I look bald or whatnot. We just finished eating. We ordered dessert. I ordered amali. My sister ordered kunafa. So let's see what's good with the desserts. And I ordered a cappuccino because I like my coffee. Oh my god, did this bird shit? Amali, the bird just shat. Like, he stood there to shit. Thank you. This was the bathroom. Bathroom break. I'm gonna get shisha. I need to smoke up a little bit. It's been a minute since I've had shisha. It's lovely out here. Like, I just want to smoke some shisha. You're not even in the frame. Stop trying to troll me and you're not even in the frame. Okay, so I just wanted to talk you guys through my outfit for the day since I decided to leave the house. The shirt that I'm wearing is from Misguided. It's supposed to be like baggy and oversized, and I just like tied it around my waist because it's super long and I don't like long shirts. I like to show off my midsection. And then the pants that I'm wearing are these khaki pants from Bershka, and I'm obsessed with them. Like, I wear them way too much. And I need to buy another pair with a different color just so I can like wear something that's not these pants. And then my septum is from the store called Icing, and then my rings are, I think, H&M. Not wearing any earrings because I don't know if you guys noticed, like, this is something that I hate about myself, but I don't know if you guys noticed, like, my ears are a bit pointy, like they stick out, and when I have my hair up like this, I either wear like big hoops to cover that fact, or I don't wear earrings at all because I don't want attention drawn to my ears because I'm embarrassed by them. It's something really weird, like I don't know if you guys if you guys notice, but they really stick out and it's so weird. That's the full outfit. How to eat raisins. Bitch, you guys, how pretty is that? This is everything. So we're just leaving Babel right now. Babel. Sorry. I've been so trash today. We're gonna go shopping for a little bit now. We're gonna like check out a few stores. Homegirl needs an eyeliner. I need these earrings that she's wearing that are from H&M. I'm like jealous. I want them in my life. Okay, so we're just doing a little bit of shopping. We went to Bershka earlier, and I just like tried on these pants that are literally the exact same pants that I'm wearing right now, but they're in black, and I thought I should get them because I wear these pants a lot. So I need something that I can wear that's not the same color, so people don't call me out on my shit. So I bought them in black, and I bought them a size smaller because then when I have on expanded a little bit, and then I also bought a white turtleneck. Ended up taking the pink one because I thought it would look cuter. Hope it does look cuter because I can't try it right now with this bun. Did I say bun? I mean ponytail. Okay guys, so I'm done. Okay guys, so we are done. Heading home right now, right? Let's go. So I'm editing this vlog and I realized that I did not end it. So here's me ending it. Bye.